Hi guys, thanks for stopping by, and you are in luck if you happened upon my video today because we are doing a blog hop and an Instagram hop. I'm just sharing the information in this video because I had to share this card with you because I thought it turned out really cute. Now I'm using our Happy Fall stamp set paired up with the Cat Scrappiness Tri-Frame Slimline die. Now we're doing a collaboration and we're celebrating that Not Too Shabby is now carrying Cat Scrappiness products. So I'm super excited. I want you to head on over to the shop, check out all the Cat Scrappiness goodies. She's got some really fabulous dies, a lot of great slimline dies too. And I'm also using her sequins in the hot cocoa mix, and they are beautiful. You'll see me use them on this card today. Now to enter the giveaway, head on over to the blog. All the information will be there. You can hop through the blogs and also hop through the Instagram accounts. So you'll just follow the Instagram accounts, leave a comment, tag your friends, and on the blog, same thing, you will leave a comment and hop along to the next blog. Now there's 10 crafters on this hop and they are amazing, and these cards are going to blow you away. So here I'm just coloring up my cute little pumpkins here. I did stamp out the cute little face that's in the stamp set because I wanted to add some googly eyes to this card. I thought that would be really fun. So I'm going to put those little eyes on top of the faces. Now for this color combination here, I'm using a set of orange and yellow shades. YR68, YR24, YR15, and Y38. I'm taking out the set of googly eyes that I have. These are a medium size. I do have some very tiny ones too that I use on my other images, but the size worked perfect for my little pumpkin there. So I'm just adhering it with some glossy accents. That way if the glue oozes out, it will dry clear. I believe I forgot to mention that we have 4 prizes up for grabs. 4 $15 gift certificates to our shops. So we will have 4 lucky winners, so that is awesome. Now I'm trying to figure out the layout for all my images. I love making slimline cards because I could fit a lot of images on there. Sometimes I like to use all the images in the stamp set, and the slimline cards are perfect for that. But I wanted to use a lot of pumpkins, and I used 2 crows and the scarecrow, and I did add googly eyes to all the faces. So I thought that was super fun. I'm going to use the sentiment, Happy Fall, and we're going to create a super fun background. Now the slimline die from Cat Scrappiness is the perfect one to create shaker cards with because it cuts out the little frame for you. Now I'm making a shaker card in my next video. I'll have that posted tomorrow, and I also share that on the blog, so if you want a peek of it before the video, head on over to the blog to enter the giveaway and hop. You'll see my shaker card that I created with this die. So now I'm using Distress inks. This is the bundled sage color. I used some rusty hinge at the bottom there. We also used some crushed olive, some wild honey, and we'll bring out the Mermaid Lagoon for the very top. Now I'm bringing out my favorite new technique. I'm using my Lindy Stamp Gang sprays, and this is the Bahama Breeze. So it's a nice blue, and I'm just dropping on some droplets there. And I think that looks so cool. Against those colors, I just love it. Now I'm getting out my white gouache, just adding a tiny bit to my acrylic block and then watering it down. This makes it easy to splatter onto your card. The splatters and then the shimmer from the Lindy Stamp Gang spray looks really cool. I just love this look. I'm going to arrange my little images. We're going to have the scarecrow and a pumpkin at the bottom, and then I'm going to stagger these pumpkins going all the way up at the top, and then the cute little crow sitting on top of the top pumpkin. So I'm going to glue these images down straight onto my paper, and then I'm going to trim off any of the excess hanging off the page. I'm using the Wendy Vecchi Make Art Station magnetic board here to help hold down my images. I love using this thing, so I use the magnets to hold down the images. That way they dry flat when I'm using glue. It's also great to hold down your paper when you're ink blending as well. So next we'll get out our ink pad. We're going to stamp out our sentiment, and I'm going to be using the sentiment Scarecrow, Kisses, and Fall Wishes. So I have 2 sentiments on this card, and since it's a slimline card, there's lots of space for 2 sentiments. So I heat embossed the Fall Wishes at the top, and then I have my other sentiment on a flag banner. I used foam tape to pop up my frame, and I also used foam tape to pop up my sentiment. All of my characters are glued flat down to the page. I'm going to add a hill to the bottom of my scene here. I created this hill by using the Cat Scrappiness Hill die. I'll have all the products listed in the description box so you can easily find them. I just trimmed down my hill a little bit so it's not covering up too much of my images. And now I'm going to glue my panel in. And then we'll get our hill glued down. And then we'll get out those beautiful Cat Scrappiness Hot Cocoa Sequence Mix and sprinkle those around the card for some added shine. I just love using sequins on my card. It's like the finishing touch. I'll add my sentiment strip there right under the Fall Wishes. So it says Fall Wishes, Scarecrow Kisses. I just love those 2 sentiments paired up together. It's so cute. And now to sprinkle our Hot Cocoa Sequence Mix. I love that Trinity embellishment holder. It's so cute and handy. So I'm just going to add a few sequins to this card, and then we will call it done. So I hope you enjoyed this card. It was really a lot of fun to make. I hope you guys head on over to the blog to check out the giveaway and hop, and also the Instagram giveaway and hop. So there'll be 4 prizes. Good luck on the hop, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I'd love to hear your comments down below. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. For stopping by, guys. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.